At a press conference held in Shillong today, the 5th of December 2022, members of the Federation of Persons with Disabilities had sought the apologies of the Congress candidate from Sohiong Constituency on the statement made by him against this category of citizens. Speaking on behalf of the members of the Federation, its chairman, Ferdinand L. Shillong, had stated that the persons with disabilities will not accept the statement made by Congress candidate from Sohiong, S. Osborne Kharjana, wherein he had mentioned that this category of people, particularly those who are deaf, blind and dumb, cannot be elected as representatives or are not fit to become leaders since they are physically disabled. Shillong therefore demanded public apology from the Congress candidate, failing which the organization will have to seek the intervention of the Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities in the state, the Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills and the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District and the Election Commission to deal with the issue.
Iwe na candidate trong the Sohiong Constituency ibalah keren halor kata kajing bamla jongi kibru kibadon jing duna haki dukot met ban kentup lang haka imlang sa lang dani ban yashim bentalang haka imlang sa lang te kalalong hikumba I ba staruni laong ba la pen Kenya ka RPWD Act ang hajar khat riu te hot ni kwa ya phi ba kumba phila kren hi shakilat pathai khubor halor kata ka jing bamla ka jungi banya shim banta ha ka imlang salang ni kwa ro ya phi ba phin panmap lingba ka press namar ni smyo ba kani ka jing kren jong phi kala kta yangi but ni de ki brio we are human being but ngan ong hangni ko wei ba lada phi ong bangi ni de ki brio ki badon jingduna ha ki do khot met nga tharai kani ka jingkren ka jong phi ka ba phi klem prakhat shwa ba phin kren ngiru ngila hi ban ong ba phi ru phi don jingduna hi ha ki do khot met kata tharai phi yo snyo phi lat ban kren phi la ban yat ban yeng henry kata ka jingkren jong phi ka ba klem pan prakhat shwa ya phi balada nga kren kumni kakta nem yo pat babun balang kat kata ngo mai phi ba phiru phidon ubriu ba jingdun jingduna ki khot met kata phi lili tharai phidon ka jingduna ha ka bor prakhat jong phi omde shu tang ha ka bor yo I ne bor yo snyo ne bor yat ne ka bor kren
tang ki bru badu ene ki bru ruspa ki bru babit babiang khot met la ne ki bru baduna khot met ki bru pastat babi nya don lang te ngilong social animal ni ngilong plumar ki merak klap ni digin kita kenja jing thau ki bah ngila ni imlang ngila ko operate ngila metrikan lang te sakawir ngoi phi ba ka ji ong ju ba ngi bru benar khon bet ngin dei hok hire kham tam kita ki ba kulut bu ong mo pintu met kumba kulut kuma malak buat datang berlong ro ba sinong ro te to ngoi phi bar bor sutus thu ba when society creates disability, dengan society can understand, society open doors, disability can be eliminated. Orang ini, ni keburu benar konmet lada ke imlang salang, kam pediang kemud, hangta kemud kenang long verse ni kan long nang trim, but kita pidung isya keti jinuna habar okiliang, handre lada ke society imlang salang ke pelila kemud tes shua hatu hit. Nila ne menlek ya kata position dan yang kata duty berpasya ini. Lada pimpat UI ba pimpat tes ini pimpat di hok sisa ben kan sudah madan. Yo le sel dari ayo to go duty men perform yo sini le la belek khamha pimla te ben judge lupa kumbai lupa oblay usul. Hide tong prabri hi de tong mangama pi. Election SB jom is here. Balai. Election syau CEO jam election commission berkapasa in lagi rubun ujo saka deputy commissioner jam is te semua apa orang tak lek berangkam malah ada pim lek kemut ngiru ning sale